I am CJ, and I am a coffee professional and a brand consultant of Infusion Quarters, the founder of Barista Alchemist Philippines and the admin for Latte Art Philippines. We are here at Preciso Coffee to witness the grand opening and give awareness about specialty coffee. So when you say specialty coffee, it's a quality from plant to cup. These are the coffees that are graded in 80 and up in a scale of 100% by the Q graders. Should be selective picking, planted in a high altitude to give more distinct flavor. When you say preciso in Latin or in Spanish, means precise, exact, and consistent. So doon namin kinuha yung name. We focus on the executions of the barista using different kinds of parameters. Especially, we are using top-of-the-line espresso machines. We have Sanremo Racer together with the grinders that we have Pro Evo and Volcanic EK40. For the ambience, nung nag-uusap-usap kami ng mga partners ko dito, I always say this, that we don't focus on aesthetic. We focus on the quality of the coffee. Pero syempre, pupuntahan ka ng mga tao din because of the aesthetic. They will return because of the quality of the coffee that you will serve to them. For the aesthetic, we chose a polyurethane rocks together with a wood accent. So parang minimalist lang din. And for the bar, yung setup namin, more on white tint together with the stainless at the back. So meron din siyang drive-thru. So this is the first drive-thru cafe na nagsuserve ng specialty coffee dito sa Mexico, Pampanga. Today, we're gonna have the first public coffee cupping here in Mexico, Pampanga, which is the Preciso Coffee, conducted by Mr. Marknil Madrelewas, so the founder of Latte Art Philippines. So kaming dalawa. And syempre, we're gonna use Jackson, the first crack coffee roasters. So we promote local coffees like we have Bukidnon Coffees, Mount Apo, Atok. And for international din, meron din kaming international origin coffees din.
Marknil Madrileos. I'm the Managing Director for Chairs to Cup Coffee Solutions and also a roaster for Jack in the First Crack and a trainer for Philippine Latte Art Academy and also a co-owner of Infusions here in Pampanga. Our aim is to spread the awareness for specialty coffee. Ano ba yung specialty coffee? These coffees are the coffees that are grading 80 and up. So ito yung mga may quality na coffee. Dumaan to sa grading system. So yung grading system na yon, the process is cupping. So same sa gagawin natin. Although the cupping that we're gonna do right now is cupping for appreciation. So sa coffee, different varieties, okay, different species will have different tastes. That's why it's called public cupping. So we will spread the awareness of what really coffee is and how to really take it. Ang nangyayari dito, baka maging regular to, say every week or every month. Of course, the aim is to spread nga the awareness. So every now and then there will be education and there will be a lot of different origins na magiging available dito mismo. Dapat matikman din ng mga Pilipino yung quality na coffee talaga sa ibang bansa para ma-compare natin dito to set a target kung ano yung targetin natin na lasa and variety dito sa Pilipinas.
I'm inviting you all to support local cafes here in Pampanga. Specialty coffees are rising here in Pampanga. So Preciso is the first specialty coffee that has a drive-thru here in Pampanga. When against to coffee, it's all about passion. So it's a hard work din. Hindi basta-basta gumawa ng cafes din. In Preciso, precision in every cup.
So we are inviting everyone, especially here in Pampanga, to experience the specialty coffee here in Preciso and taste the different varieties of Arabicas locally and internationally produced. Get caffeinated here in Preciso.